Hola everyone, happy Tuesday. I hope everyone's doing great this week. Let me quickly recap. Last week's tutorial was on Trello.com. Trello's for brainstorming ideas or for organizing your ideas. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to direct message me. I'll help you as much as I possibly can. Sorry about that. So today I'm sharing another favorite tool for my social media strategy, and that's Canva.com. So first thing is how do you download Canva and where do you find it? You can either go to Google Play. Canva is Canva. It's going to be it's going to be the Canva that is for graphic designing, not for your students, for my Grand Prairie parents. Or you can go to canva.com and download it here. Now, I won't stress to you anymore after this, but please create your free account first. Either you can follow my link in my post. I'm going to share my own account with you so that way we can get you started. And so the next thing I need you to do is go ahead and go to your social media strategy board. I go to my first list, which is the content ideas. I go to the first brand, which is What-a-steplife. Because here, like I told you in my previous tutorial, I put everything and anything to do with my social media on this board. So on this particular card, the What-a-steplife, you can see here, I have the link to my Canva. So you'll click it. It'll open up your Canva. And here's your main screen. Let me go ahead and hide this. You see you have your home, you have templates, you have things to discover here, and things you can learn. You have options on the left side. Whoops, sorry. You have options on the left side here. You have different examples and templates down here. The more you create on Canva, the more you'll have down here as well. So I'm just going to go straight to my recommended for you, to the design anything. You can search any design or template here, or you can scroll down and you see you have different options here. It also lists the different pixel sizes. This is important. So Canva's already gone on here and it's customized all the sizes. So I'm going to go ahead and make it simple for me, and I'll click on an animated social media, since animated is awesome for your audience. The first thing I suggest you do is to change the title here. Just so that way, if you have to step away, it's automatically saved and it's saved under that name. So it's easier to find. And since I've already done that, I'm going to go ahead and go to my next tab. And I went ahead and I clicked on templates. And that's where I found this little handy dandy one. I went ahead and went to my search template and I put video, since the post that I'm wanting to do next is going to be of this video, this tutorial. So I simply just put in my search video, and this is what came up, so it was easy for me. But a post isn't your post until you customize it, right? So if you haven't done this already, you can go back to home. Guess I should have showed you that first. Sorry about that. I recommend doing a brand kit. A brand kit is where you can add your logos, add your colors, and add your fonts. As you see here, I have several brands, so I have several different colors. This is going to help you in the long run when you're creating your post. Okay, let's go to all your designs, since I've already created here. Okay. Going back to the design that we were at. Now the first customization I want to do is I want to change the color. So I just clicked on the corner of the template. I'm going to the background color here. And since I'm going to be doing this brand for my VA assistant, I can choose one of these colors. I like how the yellow looks, so I'm going to go with the yellow. That means I'm going to have to change all of these other colors. It's all just a little too muted for me. And you see here, change all. This is going to change all the colors that are the same color in that template. So since I want to go ahead and do that, I still don't like that color. I don't like that color either. Checking my other brands. Okay, so I like this one. And say I don't like the color of my font. So go back to my brand color. Perfect. So I'm going to change them all that color. Okay, now I want to customize what I want to say. So this is going to be a post for my tutorial. So how about let's start strategizing. We only have one earth. How about we can create together? And how about down here, I am going to, since I don't have a website for VA Assisted, I'm just going to put my @mention here, VAMary Lou. And how about, let's change this up here. So, creations with Mary Lou. Make it simple, right? Okay. So if you click in the middle, you'll see here that this is a video, but I want to add my own video. So I'm going to go up to uploads. I have a couple of videos here. And just for this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my previous story on Instagram that I made a video for. Okay, so this already has music on it. And normally I would go and I would add music to this post. Okay, so I clicked on music. This looks like, how about typing? See what comes up under typing. Nah. Sounds sunny. I like it. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to drag and drop the music. Now it's on your post. You click on the music down here, and you can edit the music to where you want it to start and end. Now, everything that we've just done has made this one post 26 seconds long. How we're going to check it is we're going to go up here. See the sky, see the clouds amongst the sun. See the day for everything it could be. Stop treading on. See, this video already had music on it. That's why I chose it. Because the tutorial that I'm doing now is going to have me speaking. So I don't want that covered up by music. I want that to be heard first. Okay, so let's close that. Alrighty. Like I said, we don't need music, so I'm going to go ahead and turn that off. And now, last thing to do is let's animate this post. Why animate when you've already got animation on it? Because you don't want it to just sit in front of your audience's screen. If you put an animation to it, like say fading, or maybe baselining, or maybe tumbling, it moves around the video. Let me show you. So you go back over here.
See the sky, see the clouds.
Do you see how the image went in? It's going to do the same thing when it ends as well. So it's giving you an added animation. That's a minus, or that's a plus for sure. Okay, so say I'm done with this, and now we want to download it. So how do we download it? You go to this little triangle here. You can either use the suggested, which is the download video, which is always the best one, or you can go to show more. If you get so advanced that you want to connect all of your Facebook pages or your groups or maybe your Twitter, you can do that here. You can do your Pinterest, your LinkedIn, you can do all of that here. But for this purpose, I'm going to go all the way back up and I'm going to go ahead and do the download video. Here you have more options. Say you just want a short clip of it. It's going to have no sound, but it will be a GIF and you can upload it anywhere. But I want to do a high quality video, so I'm going to download it here. And while it's preparing my design, I'm going to go ahead and go back to my social media board. And I'm going to go to today's date, which is Tuesday. And since I'm sharing my favorite resource or tool, and I'm behind here, I should have done it at 11:34. This is where I'm going to attach the video that I just created as soon as it's downloaded. Okay, so I click back my board. It's downloaded right here. I want it for this particular day, so I've just uploaded here. So that's it. And so there's your video.
See the day for everything it could be. Stop treading on that snooze button. Run.
So you're done. Now, other tools that I use to create my social posts are Ripple, Mojo, Boosted, and QuickShop. All apps you can use and download from Google Play. Canva has a lot of features, paid and free. Give it a try. I'm not affiliated with them yet, but it's definitely on my list, my blog list for my site. It's also accessible by phone. I hope this video has given you some inspiration and you've learned something new. Thanks. And this has been your Tuesday tip at VAMary Lou. You have a great day. Bye.